Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty Tips. If your skin ever feels dry, tight, red, or just off, your skin barrier might be crying out for help. You might be spending money on all kinds of expensive products, serums, acids, retinols, exfoliants, but if your skin barrier is damaged, none of it will actually work. That's why today, we're diving deep into one of the most important but misunderstood topics in skincare: how to fix your skin barrier fast and bring your glow back for good. This isn't just another skincare trend. This is the foundation of healthy, youthful, radiant skin. So grab your favorite moisturizer, take a deep breath, and let's rebuild your skin barrier together. So, what exactly is your skin barrier, and why does everyone keep talking about it?
Think of your skin like a brick wall.
The bricks are your skin cells, and the mortar holding them together is made up of natural fats, also known as lipids, mainly ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. This outermost layer of skin, called the stratum corneum, is what protects you from the outside world. It's your body's natural shield that locks moisture in and keeps out irritants, pollutants, and bacteria. When this wall is strong, your skin looks plump, smooth, and healthy. But when that wall is cracked, it's like having holes in your armor. Water escapes, irritants sneak in, and your skin becomes sensitive, red, or dull. In short, when your barrier is weak, your skin is too. Now, how do you actually know if your skin barrier is damaged?
It's not always obvious, but there are some clear warning signs.
If your face feels tight after washing, or you get that squeaky clean feeling, that's not a good thing. It's a red flag. You might also notice flakiness or dry patches that don't go away no matter how much moisturizer you use. Maybe your skin suddenly reacts to products that never used to bother you. That's a big clue your barrier is compromised. Redness, burning, stinging, breakouts, even makeup not sitting right. These are all classic symptoms. Your foundation might look patchy or uneven because the texture of your skin isn't smooth anymore. Sometimes it even feels itchy or overly sensitive for no reason. If you've been experiencing any of this, don't panic. Your skin can absolutely recover. It just needs a little care and consistency. Now let's talk about what damages the skin barrier in the first place. One of the biggest problems is overexfoliation. So many people love the instant glow of acids and scrubs, but too much exfoliation strips away those protective lipids. Dermatologists recommend exfoliating just once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. The second major problem is harsh cleansers. Anything that leaves your skin feeling tight or squeaky clean is doing more harm than good. High pH cleansers, foaming soaps, and alcohol-based formulas strip away natural oils that your barrier actually needs to stay healthy. Third, using too many active ingredients at once can overwhelm your skin. You might think you're doing a good thing by mixing retinol, vitamin C, and acids, but your skin just can't handle that much stimulation at once. It gets irritated, and the barrier starts to break down. Another major reason is skipping sunscreen. UV rays damage lipids, break down collagen, and weaken your barrier layer, even on cloudy days or when you're indoors near windows. And finally, lifestyle factors like stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, smoking, and exposure to pollution can all affect your skin's ability to repair itself. Basically, everything your body goes through shows up on your face.
So how do we fix all this? The good news is that your skin is smart. It knows how to heal itself. You just have to stop attacking it and give it the right support. Step 1 is simple but crucial. Stop all activities for a while. That means pause on retinols, exfoliating acids, and high-strength serums for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Think of this as giving your skin a vacation. Let it rest, rebuild, and get back to balance. Once your skin feels calmer and healthier again, you can slowly reintroduce your actives, but one at a time, in moderation. The next step is gentle cleansing. Choose a cleanser that's soap-free, pH-balanced, and fragrance-free. Ideally, it should have a low pH between 5 and 6, close to your skin's natural level. Avoid anything that foams up too much or claims to be deep cleaning or oil control. Those usually strip your skin. Wash your face only twice a day, with lukewarm water, never hot. Hot water might feel relaxing, but it dissolves your natural oils and makes dryness worse. After cleansing, always pat your skin dry gently with a soft towel. Don't rub, just dab off the excess water. Then comes the most important part, moisturizing. This is where real healing begins.
Look for a moisturizer that contains barrier-repairing ingredients like ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. These three mimic the natural structure of your skin's lipid layer. Add humectants like hyaluronic acid and glycerin to draw moisture in, and soothing ingredients like panthenol, squalane, or centella asiatica to calm irritation. The key is to apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. That helps seal and hydration better. For dry or damaged skin, layering helps too. You can start with a lightweight lotion, then follow up with a richer cream or balm, and even add a thin layer of occlusive like petrolatum or dimethicone at night to lock it all in. Now, let's not forget the one product most people underestimate: sunscreen. Daily SPF is non-negotiable. Even if you stay indoors, UV rays can pass through windows and screens, slowly weakening your skin's lipids. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher, and reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're spending time outside. It's one of the best anti-aging and barrier-protecting habits you can have. Let's talk about lifestyle, because your skin doesn't exist in isolation, it reflects your whole health. Hydration is essential, but it's not just about drinking more water. You also need to eat healthy fats from sources like avocado, salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. These provide the omega-3s that help your body rebuild lipids from within. Sleep is another huge factor. Your skin repairs itself at night, especially during deep sleep stages, so make sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. And then there's stress, one of the most underrated causes of skin problems. High cortisol levels increase inflammation and slow down your skin's ability to heal. Try to include something relaxing in your routine. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing, journaling, or stretching can make a difference. Now let's look at the key ingredients that help rebuild a damaged barrier. Ceramides are at the top of the list because they literally form the foundation of your skin's lipid layer. Niacinamide is another superstar. It strengthens the barrier, reduces redness, and improves elasticity. Panthenol, or vitamin B5, soothes and helps the skin hold moisture better. Squalane is great for replenishing natural oils without clogging pores. Centella asiatica, also known as cica, helps calm irritation and speeds up healing. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin attract and retain water in the outer layers, keeping skin plump and hydrated. And don't forget cholesterol and essential fatty acids. Both are necessary for proper barrier function. If you see any of these ingredients on your skincare labels, that's a good sign. At the same time, avoid strong fragrances, drying alcohols, harsh acids, or scrubs until your skin has completely recovered. So, what should your routine look like while your barrier heals? Keep it minimal. Less is more right now. In the morning, cleanse gently. Use a hydrating toner or essence if you like. Follow with a moisturizer rich in ceramides, and finish with sunscreen. In the evening, cleanse again. Apply a soothing serum like niacinamide or panthenol. Follow with a rich moisturizer. And if your skin is feeling extra dry, add a layer of balm or sleeping mask before bed. Stick to this routine for at least 2 weeks. Once your skin feels calm, balanced, and soft again, you can slowly bring back your actives, but always patch test and introduce them one by one.
So how long does it take to heal a damaged barrier? It depends on how bad it is.
Mild damage can improve in as little as a week, while more serious cases may take a few weeks or even a month. The key is patience and consistency. Remember, your skin heals gradually, not overnight. Stay gentle, stay regular, and trust the process. And once your barrier is restored, focus on maintenance. Don't go back to over-exfoliating or layering 10 products a day. Simplicity is what keeps your skin strong. There are also small habits that make a big difference.
Avoid washing your face in hot water. Don't over-cleanse.
Keep a humidifier in your room if you live in a dry climate. Always moisturize after cleansing, even if your skin feels oily. And protect your face from cold wind or indoor heating, which can dry it out fast. Think of your skin barrier as your body's armor. The more consistently you care for it, the stronger and more resilient it becomes. So, beauties, that's everything you need to know about repairing and protecting your skin barrier. Remember, glowing skin doesn't start with makeup or filters. It starts with a strong, healthy foundation. When your barrier is balanced, everything else falls into place. Your serums work better, your makeup looks smoother, and your skin feels more alive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's struggling with their skin right now. And tell me in the comments, which barrier repair ingredient or product has saved your skin? Until next time, stay glowing, stay hydrated, and love your skin barrier. Thank you for watching. If you found helpful, like, subscribe and share with your family and friends.